Hi there, welcome to your journey with Eventzilla. In this video, we are going to get you started with step-by-step instructions on how to set up your first event or next event. Setting up an event page consists of 3 simple steps, and it should take less than 5 minutes. Anytime during the setup, if you think you are not ready to publish your event page, you can always save your progress and come back later to finish it. Step 1 is selecting a cover image for your event page. You can choose from a selection of preset images or upload your own here. You can also upload your logo in this page. Both cover image and logo are optional, and you can choose to update them later. Next, enter some basic details about your event, like the event title, category, and description for your event. Be sure to write a clear description that tells people the most important information about your event and why they won't want to miss it. You can also add FAQs, transportation options, refund policy, etc. Next, enter the date and time of your event, and make sure the time zone is correct. Eventzilla supports single-day events, multi-day events, and recurring events. Next up are your registration types or ticket types depending on the nature of your event. You have 4 different choices to choose from: free, paid, donation, and add-ons. And note that you can create multiple registration types for an event. This is very useful when you want to offer an early bird pricing and other special pricing options to promote your event. For this demo, we are going to set up a paid registration type. In this dialog, you can enter the name of the registration type, available quantity, set the price, and even create a group discount offer on this page easily. For example, you can offer a special group discount when 2 or more attendees register together for your event. Click on the Advanced options to further tailor each registration type. If you are planning to offer free passes to sponsors and employees, then you can set up free registration types for these. Similarly, you can set up donations for your fundraising event or choose add-ons to sell merchandise at your conference. Who pays the service fee? We have 3 different options. You can pass on Eventzilla's service fee to your attendees, or choose to absorb them yourself. Alternatively, if you do not want to pay a fee per registration, we also offer discounted custom pricing packages. If you are interested, simply send us a note to sales@eventzilla.net. Now, let's get back to setting up our event. Let's take a look at the payment options quickly. To process payments online, we're integrated with a number of payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, Square, Authorize.net, and Braintree to name a few. And we also offer our own payment option, Eventzilla Payments. Eventzilla Payments is offered in partnership with WePay, a Chase-owned enterprise. Creating your Eventzilla Payments account is completely seamless, and you can do it while you are setting up your event. With Eventzilla Payments, you can receive daily or weekly payouts based on your preference. Eventzilla's service fee and credit card processing fees are automatically deducted in real time at the time of the transaction. No monthly invoices or follow-ups. You can also perform one-click refunds when a registration is canceled. If you already have a preferred payment provider, simply link your payment account to your event, and you will start receiving payments in real time. Remember, unlike many other competitors, with Eventzilla, there is no waiting till the end of your event to receive your payments. We also offer pay-by-invoice and check payment options, if that's what aligns with your business. Note that when attendees register using one of these offline payment options, registrations will remain pending and you can confirm them when you receive the payments. Now that we have set up our basic event details, created a registration type, and also configured a payment method, we are ready to publish our event page. Simply click on the Publish button. And that's it. You are now all set to accept registrations and payments. There are also tons of other advanced customization options for your event, like custom registration forms, event agenda, pre-approvals, wait lists, reserved seating, accommodation booking, abstract submissions, and many more. Feel free to explore these and customize your event until it's just right. You can use the event page link on your website, blog, email invites, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. And feel free to create some test registrations to get a first-hand preview of your attendees' experience. There are lots of other videos in our knowledge base covering several other aspects of the platform in great detail. Don't forget to check these out. Thanks for watching this video. Good luck with your event, and please don't hesitate to reach out to our friendly customer success team anytime via email, live chat, or phone. We are always here to help make your event a great success.